Welcome back to Math Solver 1117. If you are sitting in Precalculus or Calculus 1 class right now in the US and your teacher is going to hand you in the exact formula on your first major quiz, it is called the difference quotient. On paper, it looks like a complete mess of variables. Students look at f of x plus h and immediately make the fatal mistake of just adding plus h to the end of the function. This gets you an automatic 0 on your exam. Today I am going to show you how can you solve this and cancel out the troublesome h in the denominator in every single time. So you have a function like f of x equals equals 2 of x square minus 3 of x plus 5. Now we will apply the quotient rule here. So what we will get? We get f of x plus h means in the function we will substitute x plus h. So 2 into x plus h square minus 3 into, in place of x we will substitute x plus h plus 5 minus 2 of x square. Minus will become plus 3 of x minus 5, and in the denominator we have h. So we will solve this as, first of all, open this square. This is 2 into x square plus 2 of xh plus h square, and this is minus 3 of x minus 3 of h plus 5 minus 2x square plus 3x minus 5 divided by h. So what we will get? We will multiply this and get the answer. So this will equals, when we multiply, this is 2x square, then 2 plus 2 is 4, this is 4xh plus 2h square minus 3x minus 3h plus 5 minus 2x square plus 3 of x and minus 5. Now 2x square and 2x square are cancelled out. 3 of x and 3 of x are cancelled out. Plus 5 and minus 5 are cancelled out. Remaining is 4xh plus 2h square minus 3h, and in the denominator we have h. Now we will solve this as, we will take h is common from this, again write here, we get 4xh plus 2h square minus 3 of h divided by h. H is taken as common, 4x plus 2 minus 3. So we get this as 4x plus 2h minus 3. Our final step is to isolate and eliminate the h from the denominator. To do this safety, we factor out of every remaining term in the numerator. This gives us h times the quantity 4x plus 2 minus 3. This is 2h. Now we can cleanly cancel the h in the top and in the bottom. The drop out completely, leaving us our final analytical solution, that is 4x plus 2h minus 3. If you are in calculus 1, your next step later this term will be letting h approaches 0, which leaves us with as, we will write limit h approaches 0, 4x plus 2h minus 3. Apply this limit, we get 4x minus 3 because h is 0. So this is the answer of your this algebraic problem. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another interesting Olympiad math problem, Precalculus, Calculus 1, AP Calculus and many others problem. Keep learning, keep growing, stay tuned.